Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure the earbuds and phone have some charge and Bluetooth is enabled on the phone. Once done, keep your phone unlocked and open the Oneplus earbud case right next to it to trigger the fast pair prompt. You're doing this because proximity lets the phone detect the earbuds broadcast quickly. If you don't see a prompt in a few seconds, don't panic. Move to manual pairing in the next step to force visibility and complete the process. If fast pair didn't appear, put the earbuds into pairing mode by pressing and holding the touch or physical button on the earbuds for about 5 to 8 seconds until the LED flashes. Then, on your phone, go to Settings, open Bluetooth, and look for the Oneplus device name in the Available Devices list. Tap it to pair. You do this because the manual hold forces the earbuds to broadcast their ID. Make sure to accept pairing prompts. Once paired, confirm by playing audio and making a short test call or recording to check mic and media routing. If audio quality or latency matters, open Bluetooth device details and select the suitable profile or codec. If the earbuds do not connect, reset them by holding the buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds until LEDs blink differently, then retry pairing from the beginning. That reset clears stale states and is the single most useful troubleshooting move if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.